Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to hide chat notification content from your lock screen on Messenger. This is a quick and simple way to keep your conversations private when your phone is locked, and you don't want message details popping up for anyone passing by to see. Let's get started step by step. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all the control begins. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and look for Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. From that list, find and select Messenger. This is the app we want to adjust. After you've opened the Messenger settings, go ahead and tap on Notifications. Here's where you'll see all the options related to how Messenger delivers alerts to your phone. From there, continue by selecting Notification Categories. This allows you to control exactly what kind of notifications Messenger can send and how they appear. Now, inside the categories, look for Chats and tap on it. This section is specifically for message alerts, which is what we want to focus on. Once you're there, tap on the option called Lock Screen. You'll see a few choices available for how notifications appear when your phone is locked. Select Hide Content. This setting ensures that you'll still see that a notification has arrived, but the actual message details will stay hidden until you unlock your phone. And that's it. You've successfully set up your phone to hide the content of Messenger chat notifications on your lock screen. From now on, whenever you receive a new message, others won't see what it says until you open your phone yourself. It's a quick privacy fix that can save you from some awkward situations. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to apply the same steps to other messaging apps for even more privacy protection. Keeping your notifications discreet is one of the easiest but most effective ways to secure your personal conversations. Thanks for watching.